Good morning, this is Carrie Fletcher giving you a little refresher on how to assign Think Central stories to your Google Classroom. Think Central's changed it a little bit. In the past, we were able to copy and paste very easily. They've given us a share button, though, that makes it a little bit easier. So you'll log into your Think Central, go to your student ebook. We're doing book 2 now. Over here is where you can choose which story you're on. I'm on lesson 17, but you can choose whichever one you want. Choose the page you want to go to, and then here's this share button here, and it gives you the Google Classroom. Mine says pop-up blocks. You have to go up here and get that. It'll ask you which classroom you want to share with, just in case you're doing more than one. Here's the one I'm doing. You'll get to choose your action. You can create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, or create material. Then it's going to give you all the things that you usually see when you're doing Google Classroom. Make that small again, sorry. And you'll be able to choose all the different things, and then you can choose assign or schedule or any of those other things that you have already learned how to do in Google Classroom. So I just wanted to show you that really fast, that Think Central's given us that share button. Makes it a little bit faster for you. Thank you and good luck.